Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the need of Excess-3 code, and by the end of this video I will make you clear about what is the Excess-3 code, how it is applied for two decimal bits and how it is applied for single decimal bits, and what are the advantages of this one, and let's try to solve with one problem also. So by the end of this video you will become an expert of this Excess-3 code. It's very important. Okay, let's try to start our video. So coming here, Excess-3 code. So Excess-3 code is a modified form of BCD number. So when you are going to modify, so this is a modified form of a given BCD number. So how we can get an Excess-3 code is add excess means add extra 3. So excessly you add 3 to a given decimal number, then you are going to get an Excess-3 code. So here, this, if you have an 2 digit, for example, this is a 2 digit decimal number with base 10. For 1 you have to add excess of 3, and 2 also have to add excess of 3, then you're going to get Excess-3 code. And this Excess-3 code has a feature of, so then compared to doing subtraction of decimal numbers, this Excess-3 code has an best part, which is nothing but self complementary code. I will discuss all these features with example. You will feel very comfortable, right? All right, let's try to go into the one problem. So all this code just by understanding theory, there's no use. You should do it for problem. Then the things are very good and simplified. So a decimal number is given to me, and he's asking us to find out the Excess-3 code. The given decimal number is 1, 2. So this decimal means base 10. So how to do is, now for the first bit add plus 3, for the second bit add plus 3. So 1 2 means we can write down 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. Okay, and 2 you add 3, then you are going to get 45. So 45 we can write down. So we know this BCD code decimal 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, as well as 2 to the power 3. This we can write down it as 8421 code. Similarly here also we are going to have 8421 code. So therefore how to write down 4 is 0 1 0 0. How to write down 5 is how much? 0 1 0 1. So this is 4 to the base 10, which is nothing but, this is nothing but binary coded decimal. This is for 5 base 10, this is nothing but the BCD code, which is nothing but 5. So this technique is used when an given decimal number is having digit 1 and second digit. Two digits are there, then we have to use this technique. If only single digit is there, how to use the Excess-3 code. So let's try to write down the valid decimal numbers in one column. So the valid decimal numbers in one column, and the binary codes, binary coded decimal, then you are going to have 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, as well as 2 to the power 3. This can be written as 8421 is the code. So decimal means these are of base 2, and this is way of writing 8421 is called binary coded decimal. And now we want to write down the Excess-3 code. So this is called excessly add 3 to the decimal number, then you are going to get Excess-3 code. And for this Excess-3 code, write down the BCD code. BCD code means the same technique. 2 to the power 0 is nothing but 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, and like this you are going to get the 8421 code. Now the valid decimal numbers are 0 1 2 3. So just 4 bits I'm drawing one line. Next one is 4 5 6 7. So one more set I'm drawing. Next the valid decimal numbers are 8 and 9. So for all these numbers, let's first find out BCD, and then let's try to find out the Excess-3 code. Okay, so see here, here 12 is there, where this is an invalid decimal number, and we don't have an valid BCD. So, but 0 to 9, where we are going to consider all these decimal numbers as an valid binary coded decimal. So, how to write down 0? Just check the technique. So, what is the technique behind this one? You can write down 0 as 0, 0, 0, 0. How to write down 1? 0, 0, 0, 1. How to write down 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. How to write down 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. How to write down 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. How to write down 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. How to write down 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. How to write down 7? 0, 1, 1, 1. How to write down 8? 1, 0, 0, 0. How to write down 9? 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is how to write down a given decimal number in a binary coded decimal. Here you can see here all these given decimal numbers are single digit. Therefore directly you can add plus 3. So now for this value 0 plus 3, the value is how much? 3. So 1 plus 3, 4, and 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 3, 7. Similarly, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 9 plus 3, 12. So we have been obtained the Excess-3 code. For this Excess-3 code, we have to write down the BCD code. Let's try to write down. So this is already we have in our hand how to write down in BCD code. The standard format is 8421. How to write down 3? So 3 we can write down 0, 0, 1, 1. How to write down 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. How to write down 5? 0, 1, 0, 1. How to write down 6? 1, sorry, 0, 1, 1, 0. How to write down 7? 0, 1, 1, 1. How to write down 8? 1, 0, 0, 0. How to write down 9? 1, 0, 0, 1. How to write down 10? 1, 0, 1, 0. How to write down 11? 1, 0, 1, 1. How to write down 12? 1, 1, 0, 0. This is how we have to write the Excess-3 code for a given BCD. Now I have been told this BCD is an self-complementary code. How it is a self-complementary code? Let us try to solve with one problem. Then we will become an expert. Okay. So generally the technique of solving without BCD code is, let's try to see same problem solving by method 1 and by using Excess-3 code. For example, let's take an example. I have an a decimal number. Okay, so this is with the help of Excess-3 code we have to prove that this is self-complementary in nature. So I had taken the decimal to the base 10 and here decimal to the base 10. So when you take this decimal to the base 10, just add 3 to this one. Why? Because Excess-3 code, this is nothing but 5 to the base 10. Let's try to write down the BCD code, which is nothing but 8421. Therefore there we are going to get 5. How to write down in BCD form? 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the BCD number. For this you try to perform, for all the bits you try to perform ones complement. When you perform the ones complement for, what is the ones complement of this value? So for 0 you are going to get 1, for 1 you are going to get 0, for 1 you are going, for 0 you are going to get 1, and it's nothing but 0. The ones complementary value is 1, 0, 1, 0. So this is the value you obtained. So you can see here directly by adding 3, by doing BCD conversion and performing ones complement, we obtained the resultant answer. But in general method, first you have to write down the decimal value, and for this value, first try to perform the nines complement. So I will discuss this the nines complement. Temporary, you understand the nines complementary of 2 is 7. Okay, so 7 I can write down in the form of 8, 4, 2, 1, where 7 is an decimal number. How to write down the decimal in the BCD form? So 0, 1, 1, 1, and then for this 7 you should add 3. So what is this value? 7 plus 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. So 10 means how we have to write down? So here you are going to have 10 to the base 10, then you have to write down 8, 4, 2, 1. So 10 can be written as 1 0 1 0. Okay, you see the procedure. First you have to perform nines complement of that value, and then again you have to add plus 3 to that value, then you are going to get. So here you can get the answer is same. Since here directly by adding 3 and directly performing one's complement, this technique of Excess-3 code is satisfying the concept of self-complementing code. Therefore, this is called self-complement code, and this is the best technique if you want to perform a subtraction between the BCD numbers. This is the procedure generally we find to find out the subtraction between the BCD numbers. First, you have to take the nines complement. Now, let's try to understand. So, some problems you may have, you have to find out the nines complement of an number. It's very simple. No need to worry. Okay. Now, let us try to write down what are the decimal numbers we have and what are the nines complementary values. So decimal numbers, and next column is nines complement. How to get this decimal as well as nines complement? Let's try to see here the decimal numbers we have from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just write in the reverse. So here we have got 0. This will write in reverse. This is a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I had already told the decimal 2. Nine's complement is how much? 7. So nine's complement of 1 is how much? 8. Nine's complement of 3 is how much? 6. Nine's complement of 4 is how much? 5. Nine's complement of 5 is how much? 4. Nine's complement of 6 is how much? 3. Nine's complement of 7 is how much? 2. Nine's complement of 8 is how much? 1. Nine's complement of 9 is how much? 0. This is how to perform nine's complement. So when you are performing in BCD subtraction for the given number, you should perform the nine's complement and you have to add 3, then you are going to get. But here, directly by adding 3 and directly by performing one's complement, directly you are getting answer. That is the importance of this Excess-3 code. Okay. So we'll discuss like this more interesting videos. So if you feel my explanation is good, only you like the video, and those who are studying the same subjects, those who are students who are struggling to learn, just share to your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And still, if you're watching my channel without subscribing, just subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulsi Ram. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.